Is your Microsoft 365 security investment really protecting you or leaving gaps you don't see? Even strong setups can struggle with limited talent, misconfigurations, and bandwidth. The truth? 85% of breaches could have been prevented using tools companies already own. That's where Shield comes in, your security posture made crystal clear. Take action on security gaps and deploy an out-of-the-box, ready zero trust architecture to maximize your ROI and minimize your attack surface. Using deep Microsoft integration and assume breach design, Shield keeps you secure, compliant, and optimized without the guesswork. This way, you can close gaps with accelerated time to value and get to zero trust in zero time. You've already invested in M365. Why let it sit idle or leave you exposed? Make your dollars work harder and secure your future with Shield today.